Bailey Jordan here with the Jordan Group at Navy to Navy Homes. Welcome to our team's newest listing, located inside of the community of Pine Ridge out here in Middleburg, Florida. This custom-built home has many outstanding upgrades and features that are sure to impress. The coveted open concept layout that so many families enjoy, a spacious foyer entry, marble kitchen countertops, extended 42-inch cabinets in the kitchen, and hardwood flooring throughout. This home is located within walking distance to the neighborhood school and offers community amenities for the entire family. Enjoy family time in your peaceful backyard, which offers a covered patio, a small bonfire pit area, and a partially fenced backyard. We hope you enjoyed this home just as much as we do.